Hey guys, good morning. I legit just woke up and I have a total of 6 lives to get through to be completely caught up with myself because I am so bad at keeping up with my stuff when I go away for a few days. I'm so bad about it. But anyways, so I hooked up ideas for a Little Mermaid eye look. And I think I found one that I want to do. I can't show it to you guys though because I didn't print it or anything. So I will have to post it or something. What it's supposed to look like. Hello. So I just got my eye primer on. Now I gotta set it. And then we can get started with this craziness. I'm kind of excited to do this a little bit. As far as I know, I've never done a Little Mermaid one. Like I've done eye makeup for like Tinkerbell. I think at one point I did both Anna and Elsa from Frozen. I think I might have done an eye look for Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I don't know. I can't remember. Why is my camera falling? Hey! We're going to attempt to do a Little Mermaid eye look. That's what we're attempting today. I just put on my eye primer and the shadow to set it. So I'm just getting rid of excess. All right, let's do this. So the picture that I found has No, not Harley Quinn. We're talking Disney princesses, not stuff like that. I have a song stuck in my head now. Oh yeah, okay. So the picture I found has green up in the crease and along the outside area. So I'm going to start with a base coat of a pressed shadow called Inconceivable. It's a green eyeshadow. I can't even talk right now, but I just want to kind of create a line here using this, and then I can go along it with the green cream shadow that I have. Just to kind of deepen the green, but like I said, I just want to get my lines started up through my crease. I can't talk right now. I've already done a Harley Quinn though. And I can't do a Harley Quinn on one that's titled Let's Go Under the Sea. Yeah, I did, back when I did my 31 Days of Halloween, Harley Quinn was one of those days. Using an angled shadow brush to create this line here, trying to follow my eye's natural shape. Going in the direction of my under eye right here. Trying anyway. We'll see how this works. What do you mean when? when I did my 31 days of Halloween. Hello, hello, hello. I don't know that you'll be able to find it specifically, Kay. It's in the VIP group for my customers. But, I mean, I think I did the live on my main page. But, the pictures are in the VIP. Alright, so I have the base coat for the green down. So now I'm going to grab the Splash Cream Shadow in Assertive. Just hope it's not, like, too dark for what I want. It would be my luck, right? Alright, so I'm going to grab a crease brush. Okay. Fingers crossed, you guys. Fingers crossed. Because, like, I really want the green to show. Love you too. You see that green right there? Okay, so I definitely have the green on and through the crease. And around the outside area. So I think I can get started with my purple, but first I'm gonna grab this other. This is a clean crease brush to just kind of help me blend this down a bit. Because that's definitely green. There we go. Alright, so used a clean crease brush to do a little bit of cleanup. Just a little bit. Alright. So I'm going to start with Rapturous. And then I might go over it with a purple shadow, maybe. Might be a little much. Alright, so I'm taking a Rapturous Cream Shadow for my lid. Oh my goodness. Allergies are kicking my butt right now, you guys. Okay. Grab a clean brush here. Try and get rid of the excess. Okay. Let me see. What shade is this? I forget the name of this shade every time too. Let's see if Credulous will kind of lighten up that purple a bit. Give it a little bit of a shimmer. As I lose my voice. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Okay. Yeah, I think Credulous will give it a nice shimmer. Okay. And blend. So we got our green going into our purple there. I do want to go around the outside though with that, with Inconceivable again, just along the outside. Just to really bring out the green. And then I'm gonna grab my liner brush here. Gonna bring the green down just barely beneath my bottom lash line. That way the green is definitely part of the look. Yeah, I figured this look would be either a hit or miss, so. Oh. Okay. What am I doing now? Oh yeah, I was gonna do eyeliner. So the picture that I found, she has black eyeliner. So we are gonna do that. We're gonna do the black eyeliner. What did I do with my eyeliner brush? I just had it. Get the rest of that green shadow off of that. However, she has like thick eyeliner, and I'm not one to do like super thick eyeliner. I don't personally like it, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Fill that in on the outside. I have no idea how this is gonna go, you guys. Hopefully you'll be able to see the green a lot better in the pictures. Okay, I think I just about got that. It'll work on the inner line here. Bah. Okay. Finish the eye look with the Epic mascara. Wow, that looks like super, super dark on here to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do pictures to make sure that everybody gets an actual clear view of what this is supposed to look like. For the Hottie lip plumper, I'm gonna go with Kesha for this. But yeah, so I got my green right here up in the crease. I got the purple in there, and then I got a reddish color for the lip. I think I'm pretty much good for this. Yeah, so just let me know what you guys think. I'll get pictures up too so you guys can see the actual outcome of what this is supposed to actually look like under better lighting. Alright, I will see you guys in a few. After I get the pictures up and everything, I'm gonna go take a shower and just get my day going. I will see you guys in a bit. Love you guys.